All right, so I'm in Oculus Quest 2. What I want to do is I want to be able to go to Oculus Link and pull up my desktop and be able to work with it. And I'm using a laptop with a built-in display and graphics card and an eGPU. And so here's what happens. So it's not quite 100%. So the first thing I need to do is enable Oculus Link. Okay, and here we are in Oculus Link, and hopefully you can still hear me and everything's working like it should be. And so I'm going to move this out of the way because it's kind of not very convenient. Okay, so let's move that over there. And then I'm going to bring up my Monitor 2 desktop, which is working on the eGPU. Okay, and we'll move it over there. And it's beautiful. I've got a Bluetooth keyboard and Bluetooth mouse, and I can work on this keyboard and on this display. Everything is working beautifully, just like I want. Unfortunately, when I go to Monitor 1, that's what I get. Okay, let's move it out of the way a little bit too. Okay, now you can see it's blank, but there's stuff going on in it. Okay, so if I actually, let's see if I can grab it now. Nope. There is on there, Firefox is actually running. And usually I can grab just the Firefox out of it. Matter of fact, a lot of times when I don't really want to, that's what I get. So let's see. I need to rehearse this a bit more. There it is. All right. So I got the Firefox. Let me move that over here, and so you can actually see. It's really weird. You might think that Firefox is a separate app running on the Oculus, but notice when I'm pointing into the middle of the screen, the cursor in Firefox is actually moving. So the app graphic is going through the eGPU, but the desktop graphic is not. And so I can pull individual apps out of the desktop and work with them, which is okay, but kind of clunky. As you saw, it was difficult to pull to find Firefox and pull it out, but it's doable. On the other hand, what I really want to do, and what I wish Microsoft would fix in either Windows or in the Surface, which is what I'm using, is a way to disable the built-in graphics and allow the internal monitor, the built-in monitor, to use the eGPU directly, which it won't do. If I disable the internal graphics card, then I get nothing on the built-in monitor. So this is a small problem. So when people say that, does the eGPU work with a Surface? Well, it does, mostly. It is working. This is being presented by a GeForce RTX. That is being presented by a GeForce RTX through the laptop to this Oculus Quest 2 device that I'm wearing, but I cannot present the entire built-in desktop because it will not bypass the built-in graphics card. Windows won't allow me to set that. It'll let me to set apps, but not Windows itself. Isn't that weird? Okay, so anyway, that's the problem I wanted to show you guys. Now I'm going to go back, disable this, and go back to recording, and we'll end this recording. And thank you for listening to my little rant about this, because like I said, it's a minor annoyance. I can work around it, but darn, it's not what I wanted to be able to do.